So welcome to the second Halloween challenge. You can go to the challenge homepage by going to bit.ly/express Halloween. You can see it up there, or scan the QR code. And then here are all the Halloween facts for your web page. So let's grab that title. We'll need that. And we'll go to build a web page, create from scratch, and then add in that title. You can give it whatever title you like. And then I'm going to put my name underneath. Now click anywhere in the gray or the plus on the bottom, and then you'll get this photo up. I'm going to just search for just a Halloween photo. Scroll through and see which one you like. You can click any of them. You can also replace any of them as well. That one looks great, really moody. That's good. Now you can see I'm just hovering over the top here. There's a little magic wand, and there's where you can pick your theme. And I'm going to choose the nightcap themes because that's nice and dark, just like Halloween. And if I press the plus underneath, I can choose split layout, and it looks like this. It's exactly the same as the challenge page, actually. Image on one side, text on another. And I'm going to go down and I'm going to choose all of this text here. I'm going to copy it. This is about Halloween tradition in Cullen in northern Scotland. And I'm going to paste it in on the right-hand side. Now, I'm going to go to Cullen, northern Scotland, and copy that, because then I'm going to open up another web page. I'm on Google Maps here. You may be able to use Bing Maps. And I'm going to search for that place. Get rid of that on the left-hand side, the little search box. Zoom out using the minus button. And then I'm going to screenshot this page. Now, ask your teacher how best to screenshot on your device. There you go. I've got that image now. And then I can go back to my web page, add an image, and then upload from device. And it's the last one that I took. That's great. Now, if you need to, you can then cut some of this text. I really want to on this one. I want to have a little section for each part of this tradition. And I've changed the formatting to header 2 so it's slightly bigger. Added another split layout. Pasted in the rest of that text. And then here I'm going to click and... Oh no, I think actually before I do that, I'll go to Google. I searched for Cullen Beach. You can see that there in Google. And Visit Scotland was the first one. So actually, just for sake of ease, I'll screenshot that again. It's a good skill to learn. There we go. Making sure I've got the credits in the bottom left as well. That's important. Now that I'm back here, I can go to add your image, upload it from my device. Now it's chopping off the credits in the bottom left, so give it a click. Go to focal point, and then drag that focal point right down to the bottom left so we can see Visit Scotland and Kenny Lamb. Next, I'm going to take out some of this text too, but first I'll make it into header 2, cut out that bottom section of text. I'm going to put that into another section. There we go. And then I'll go down and do split layout again, my third split layout. And this time looking for party, because that's what they do after they've been down to the beach to play football. That one looks great. And then on the right hand side, press plus, text, paste it in. And this time header 1 because there's less text, and so it can be bigger if I want it to be. Okay, next up I'm going to go to the glide show. Now this is going to be for my next Halloween tradition. So in order to know what images I want to use, I'm going to go to this first section here and identify a couple of things. We've got Samhain, which is Summer's End in Irish. So I'll search for that. And then also I think... the worlds of the living and the dead. I'll search for a graveyard, something like that. So the first one is Samhain. Okay, pop that in there. It's actually got the word Samhain in there, which is really unusual to find, I think. And then I'm looking for some kind of graveyard here. There's one down the bottom, I think. That one, yeah, looks great. And then I'll click Save. And this just works in exactly the same way as the split layout. You have a text box, but it's chopping off a little bit of the Samhain text here. So again, click it, focal point, drag it down to the bottom left, click Save. And then that text box can be moved. Let's pop it into the center and then go to text, paste my text in there. Don't need all of it, so I'll chop some of that out, cut it out, and then change that to header 2, which is great. And maybe split up these paragraphs as well. That's good. I could try the quote function, but I don't think it's very readable, so I'll just keep it as header 2. And then I'll grab this text box, put it on the right hand side, put that other section of text which I cut from the last time, and then split it up as well. Change these formats the header to keep it consistent. But in the middle, I'm going to find a picture of someone wearing kind of a Halloween mask or disguise, because that's one of the things they did in Samhain in order to keep the spirits at bay. And that one is great. She's got a finger to her lips, which is trying to keep them quiet, keep them at bay. Once you've done all that, you can press the play button in the top left. That'll allow you to go through your work and see what it looks like slide by using your left and right arrows. You can check everything is as it should be. You can open up those photos as well. And when you're done checking, press escape to come out of it, then press share, publish to web, and then create link. And there you go. That is your own web page, which you can share with whoever you like.